A Lumberton native and her husband are also among the dead tonight. The couple was camping in their RV for the holiday weekend.
Today, coworkers of Melissa Kamin came together in Humble to honor her memory. Reporter Jason Miles spoke with some of them about the legacy of kindness she leaves behind.
Under a cloudy, somber sky,
we come to you with trusting hearts.
A subdued gathering and balloon release.
She is a dear friend of mine.
In memory of Deerbrook skilled nursing and rehab physical therapy assistant Melissa Kamin and her husband Rob.
Very kind. Their family took me and my family in last year with Hurricane Beryl.
Friend and colleague Elaine Ramirez knew firsthand how Melissa touched lives well beyond work and recalled their very last conversation.
Last week, my last words were to her on the text message. It said, "Get some rest, woman of God." That was my last words. And our hope is in him. Absent from the body is present with the Lord.
Rob shared this photo of the couple's travel trailer before leaving for Kerr County last week. I'm told the couple, who recently welcomed their very first grandbaby, loved the outdoors, though Melissa still had nursing home residents in mind as she planned what would be her final trip.
Before she left to go to the hill country, she went to Walmart to get things for her trip, and she brought this resident back some Crystal Light because she knew the resident loved Crystal Light. So just the acts of love above and beyond. That's who she was.
Right now, the Kamin family is asking for privacy as co-workers who became friends keep Rob and Melissa in their thoughts.
Like I told her mother that she may be absent in the body, but spirit, she's here. And she will always be with us in our hearts.
That's Jason Miles reporting from Humble.